YouTubers, this is Superman G coming back at you one more again, and I just recently started coming into an issue. Like most of you know, I've been editing a video from a computer build from one of my best friends, actually my best friend, my only best friend. And so I'm done with the video, got the music, everything set. However, I was trying to take that, I think it's about an 8 gigabyte file. I was trying to take that and copy that over to a 32 gigabyte flash drive so that I can take that to him and then he can upload it to his computer and upload it to his YouTube channel. However, I ran into an error message whenever I would try to copy it over to the 32 gigabyte flash drive. And I'm going to show you what I mean by that. And first I'm going to open up the where the file is located, and this is the actual file, and I'm going to check properties, and as you can see it's an 8.97 gigabytes big file, pretty large. Now I am trying to place that onto a 32 gig drive, which is this right here. And if I click on properties, you can see that it's 32 gigabytes, but of course Windows says it's 29.2 gigabytes. No issues. It's still large enough to hold an 8 gigabyte file. Okay. Now I'm going to show you what I mean when I say that it's giving me an error message about when it's trying to come up. So I'm going to go back to where the video is, which is right here. I'm going to highlight it and I'm going to click copy to, and I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to choose my location. This is just one way to do it. So default destination is USB drive G, which is the SanDisk drive. Now watch what happens when I click the copy button. As you can see, it gives me this file too large. The file BJ's edited video is too large for the destination file system. Okay, file size is 8.97 gigabytes. Okay, length is about an hour and 21 minutes 17 frames, or 17 seconds I should say. So now why in the world would this come up? Because as far as most of us know, if our mathematics are correct that we learned in school, 8 can go into 32 or even 29 very easily. So let me tell you how to fix that issue. So I'm going to cancel that. I'm going to go back to the drive, and actually let me close that out. I'm going to go back to the drive, and I am going to actually let me go through it this way. Let me click on this PC, and this is the drive. Okay, right click on the drive. You're going to come up with this sub menu and you're going to click format. Alright, now these are the specs for the, let me minimize this window so you can see. This is the capacity of the drive, this is the file system, the allocation unit size, and you can give it a name. So let me call this the which it is SanDisk. Well, let me call it the cruiser blade. It don't let you type something. Well, all right. Let me there, cruiser blades or blade. My fault. I'm typing too fast, not reading enough. All right. Now, what you want to do in here, and this is going to make the big difference. What you want to do is, the capacity is fine. You want to change this file system from FAT32. You click on the down arrow, change it to NTFS. The allocation unit size, click the down arrow, click and select default allocation size. Click start. It's going to give you the warning about formatting will erase all data on this disk. To format the disk, click OK. To quit, click cancel. Click OK. Let it do its thing. It might take a little while, depending on the size of the drive. The bigger it is, the longer it might take. But I found it really doesn't take that long. See, as you can see, it's done. Format complete. You click OK. All right. You close that out. Go back to where you had the file that you wanted to copy over. In this case, it's on the Crucial 500 gigabyte NVMe drive. Here's this video. Once again, select the video that you want to, or the file rather, that you want to copy over to the flash drive. I'm going to click copy to. I'm going to scroll down to choose location. And Cruiser Blade is already selected, so let me hit copy. Wow, look at that. As you can see, it is working. So I don't know why and I'm not going to put it on Microsoft, but I don't know why flash drive manufacturers have not corrected this issue. For people who are not average computer techs, or people who don't know computers in general, as far as only what they know how to do with computers, which is check email, surf the internet, just print out documents or type up documents, they're not going to know how to deal with something like this, especially if they're trying to copy a big file over to a flash drive for a friend or a coworker or a colleague, and they run into this problem. They're like, well, I don't understand. What in the world is going on? Why can't I copy this small file size over to this large flash drive? So, in case some of you didn't know how to do this, or you've run into this problem, such as I did, this is the actual solution. So hopefully in the future there will be some correctiveness from the flash drive manufacturers that will give the defaults with the changes that you have just seen me do, and that way when you need to copy something over, like a file over to the flash drive, you won't get that error message. You're like, well, I don't know what to do, and I was thinking I had a bad flash drive, a bad flash drive. So I put another flash drive in there that I knew was good, and it gave me the same error message. So it's not the flash drive, it's just the settings of the flash drive. This is going to take a while to do, but I just wanted to show you guys that it does work with these changes that you make. So with that, I'm going to go ahead and close this video out. I hope you guys really learned how to correct the error message that comes up, and I hope this is helpful to you. You guys take care, be safe, peace out.